Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Ever get stuck trying to navigate your Barclays app? In today's video, we are going to break down exactly how to use the chat features to get your questions answered quickly and easily. Barclays has the really streamlined this. So let's dive right in. All right, so first things first, make sure you have logged into the latest version of your Barclays app. Got it? Great. Now look for the help or support sections. It is usually found in the main menu or sometimes as an icon at the bottom of your screen. Tap on that and you should see the live chat options. Give that a tap. This connects you directly to the Barclays advisors. Now, before you start typing away, the app might ask you to verify your identity for security reasons. This could involve answering a few quick questions and using your mobile PIN sentry. It is good idea to have the account details handy just in case. Once you are verified, the chat windows will pop up. Type in your questions clearly and the concisely. The more specific you are, the faster the advisors can help you. Whether the questions about a transactions, a problem with the payment, or anything else, just ask. The advisor will respond to your message and you can check back and the forth. Just like at any other message app, they can provide you with information, walk you through the steps, and help resolve your issue right there in the app. And that's it. Using the chat features on Barclays is a very super convenient way to get supported when you are needed. No more waiting to hold on the phone. So next time we have a question or issue, give the chat features and try. I will find out the faster than calling. If this video found helpful, give thumbs and the subscribe for more tech tips.